cabin 15331Z. This is a Fab Suite. Let's take a look. And you're coming into this Fab Suite. My goodness. This is 689 square feet with a 261 square foot terrace. This is beautiful. My goodness. Beautiful. Bedroom area. Lovely chairs. So back up, you can see you have the peekaboo window into the shower. Lovely chair. Bar area. With everything that you need to mix up some drinks. Record player. And this beautiful living area. Television. Looks like you've got a gaming system as well. Couch, coffee table. We'll come into the washroom area. Big marbled sink. Rainwater shower head. Handheld nozzle. Bench. And that peekaboo window out into the room. And you have a toilet area in here and a smaller washroom on this side. So if you do have guests in your room, got a washroom space here. This is the living space. It's your own electric guitar. Back into the bedroom, we'll take a quick look at the balcony. Excuse me for a moment as I open the door. You have a hammock. Outdoor shower if you need a quick rinse off. Outdoor sofa. Sun loungers. Beautiful sea views. When they say this is a Fab Suite, they are correct. This is fabulous.